Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about how to turn your leads into customers. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to bring leads into the sales funnel, and you do this of course to hopefully turn those leads into paying customers. In another video on this channel, we actually talked about how to get leads using a lead magnet and grow your email list. But now we want to go to the next step where we want to actually convert those leads into paying customers. Now, one thing I want to be clear about at this point, not every lead you obtain will turn into a paying customer. In fact, that applies to most of your leads, but as long as we can convert some of them, then you will do okay. What we're looking for at this point is those people who are prepared to invest in themselves. When you first get started as an affiliate marketer, your aim should be to start building your email list, as I mentioned earlier. But you cannot make money simply by having an email list. What you now need to do is turn those subscribers into actual paying customers. This is what I will cover in today's video. But first of all, I would quickly like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission for recommending someone else's product. You never have to create your own product or deal with any customer service and support. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So, I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Now when you hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on all your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic, how to turn your leads into paying customers. The way in which we turn leads into paying customers is normally done through what we call a sales funnel. Now, in order to give you an idea how a good sales funnel should work, let's run through what you should be looking for. Most businesses will start with a low cost entry product. The reason for this is quite simply, the lower the price of the offer, the easier it is for someone to make a purchase decision. From your point of view as an affiliate marketer, it will cost you less in time and money to acquire a paying customer if you are sending them to a low cost entry product. One important point I would like to make here is that generally the most expensive part of any sales process is actually getting the customer in the first place. Once you've got that customer on board and covered that initial cost, any additional purchases made by that customer in the future will increase your ROI, your return on investment. So let's look at the 2 main types of low cost offers that are generally used to turn leads into paying customers. The first type of offer is what we call a low price digital front end offer. This will normally be an offer priced in the $1 to $50 region. The second type of offer is what we call a free plus shipping front end offer. This is most likely to be a physical product like a book, which you offer for free and the customer just has to pay a shipping and handling fee, usually between $5 and $15. Now from my experience and that of my mentor, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, nothing works better than a free plus shipping offer to convert a lead into an actual paying customer. Now, using a free plus shipping offer on its own is not going to make you a lot of money. The aim here is to get the customer into the sales funnel. Now, this leads me to the next important point, and that is you need to have a complete sales funnel working for you. By that, I mean a sales funnel that not only offers a low price front end offer, but also offers what we call upsells at the original point of sale, but also additional higher priced offers in what we call the back end of the business. Now, I'm not going to go into depth on that here, but we do have another video on our channel that talks about this a little more. What I'm trying to get across here is that to make a profit, you need to have the opportunity to make additional offers to your customer other than the low price introductory offer. Remember, your introductory offer is not there to make a profit. The actual goal of your introductory low price offer is to convert your lead into a paying customer. Once you have that customer on board, now you can make additional offers, and that is where you will start to make a profit. Hopefully you found this video helpful and you are now aware of how we go about turning leads into paying customers and the type of offers we use to do this. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you do not need to go through the process of setting up a complete sales funnel. This is done by the business whose products you are going to promote as an affiliate. However, in order to be successful, it's important that you find the right affiliate program. You want to partner with a business that's going to pay you a commission not only on the lower price front end offers, but also on the higher price back end additional offers they make, which can often mean you making $1,000 plus commissions. Now, unfortunately, not all businesses will pay you commissions on the back end higher priced products. So, how do you go about finding the right affiliate partner? Well, they do exist and you will need to do a little research here, but it's important if you want to be successful as an affiliate marketer. Now, if you look below in my description, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online training presentation where my mentor, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will show you how he's using a little known method of giving away something for free, which leads to him making $1,000 plus commissions. And at the end of the training, he will actually give you the opportunity to partner with him and use his complete sales funnel for your own gain. Now, hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if so, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and register for the free online presentation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.